For a given random variable, we're interested in, among other things, the expected value and the variance. So we will now learn how to compute these quantities. Now the expected value of a variable x, which is denoted e of x or sigma of x, is just another name for the mean of the variable. So to compute the expected value, we want to do the summation over all the xk's of xk times the probability that x is equal to xk. Now this means that to find the expected value, we essentially want to do two things. First, we want for each of the possible values x sub k, we want to compute x sub k times the probability that x is equal to x sub k. So that's step number one. Then what we want to do is we want to sum up xk times the probability that x is equal to x sub k for all the possible xk's. Okay. So now, if you will, the expected value according to the formula is just a weighted average, of the possible values of the variable, where the weight is the likelihood that x takes on each particular value. Okay. All right. So that's how we find the expected value of a random variable. Let's now look at the variance. So the variance of a random variable x, which is denoted by sigma x squared, is equal to the summation over all the xk's of x minus mu x all square times the probability that x, essentially xk, the probability that x is equal to xk. So now, to find the variance, we want to also follow two steps. First, for each of the possible values x sub k, you want to compute x sub k minus mu of x all square times the probability that x is equal to x sub k. And then you want to sum that quantity up, right? So sum xk minus mu x all square times p x equal x sub k for all the possible x sub k's. So in this video, we looked at how to compute the expected value and the variance. In the next video, we will look at a particular example to learn how we apply these formulas.